Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a new hospital being built in Savlamar. Currently there is the Savlamar General Hospital in Savlamar, which is Savlamar is the capital of Westmoreland and the largest town in Western Jamaica. But the hospital is not on par with, say, a Cornwall Regional Hospital. So some persons, or there has been discussion about building a new hospital in Westmoreland. Now this would be good, or maybe you could build it on the same compound as the existing hospital and put in more equipment. Basically, you'd build like what they're doing in Spanish Town. They are building, what is it, a 7-story building and basically rebuilding the hospital. So maybe it's time that they do that for Savlamar because the current hospital, as we said earlier, is not up to par and it has other issues. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the building of a new hospital. And also with the Negril International Airport being built, the closest hospital to Little London, where the airport is going to be built, will be Savlamar. So that hospital, if there's ever an emergency at the new airport, the cases would go to the Savlamar Hospital. Billions to develop the Spanish Town Hospital, billions on the University Hospital, and billions on the Kingston Public Hospital. But we haven't heard any billions being spent on the Savlamar Hospital. And Savlamar is a massive town. So if currently what's happening now is most of the cases from the Savlamar Hospital, the severe ones, are being sent to the Cornwall Regional Hospital. So the Savlamar Hospital it's not up to par basically. So the opposition is calling for a new hospital to be built. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Chief Medical Officer at the Savlamar General Hospital has raised serious concerns about the dire state of healthcare in Westmoreland. Following a tour of several health facilities in the parish, he emphasized the urgent need for a new hospital, citing severe overcrowding, strained resources, and declining quality of care. His call for action highlights the growing burden on the healthcare system, which has been exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic and the increasing prevalence of chronic illness. The government must prioritize healthcare infrastructure in Westmoreland to ensure that residents receive adequate medical attention. One of the most pressing issues facing the Savlamar General Hospital is severe overcrowding, particularly in the emergency department, describing a situation where more than 80 patients are crammed into a space designed to accommodate far fewer people. Some are left waiting on benches or in wheelchairs for up to 3 days, unable to access proper treatment due to a lack of available beds. This overcrowding not only compromises patient care but also places immense pressure on healthcare workers, leading to burnout and reduced efficiency. The hospital's challenges extend beyond emergency care. Chronic illness such as diabetes and hypertension are on the rise, increasing the demand for medical services. Without adequate infrastructure to support this growing patient population, the healthcare system in Westmoreland is at risk of collapse. A significant factor contributing to the overcrowding crisis is the presence of social patients, individuals who are medically fit for discharge but have nowhere to go. Many of the patients have been abandoned by their families or lack the financial means to secure alternative care. As a result, they occupy critical hospital beds that could otherwise be used for emergency cases and seriously ill patients. The call for a new hospital in Westmoreland is not just about infrastructure, it is about ensuring that residents have access to quality health care. The CMO urged the government to prioritize funding for this project, emphasizing that the people of Westmoreland deserve better. Investing in a modern hospital would not only alleviate overcrowding but also improve healthcare delivery, reduce wait times, and enhance the overall well being of the population. In addition to building a new hospital, the government must also address the systemic issues contributing to the healthcare crisis. This includes expanding infirmary facilities, increasing healthcare funding, and improving patient management strategies. Without these measures, Westmoreland's healthcare system will continue to struggle, putting countless lives at risk. Alright, so that is the end. Oh, the CMO concerns highlight a healthcare crisis that cannot be ignored. The severe crowding at Savlamar General Hospital, compounded by the rising burden of chronic diseases and the issue of social patients, demands immediate government intervention. A new hospital in Westmoreland is not a luxury, it is a necessity. The Ministry of Health and Ministry of Local Government must work together to ensure that the residents of Westmoreland receive the quality health care they deserve. If no action is taken, the situation will only worsen, endangering the lives of countless individuals who rely on the public health care system.